Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing about AWS Lambda. We'll be talking on what AWS Lambda is, as well as benefits and use cases for AWS Lambda. Let's dive in. AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service that runs your code in response to events. It offers to run code without provisioning or managing your infrastructure. AWS Lambda automatically responds to code execution requests at any scale, from a dozen events per day to hundreds of thousands per second. It optimizes time and performance of code execution with the right memory size of the function. You just pay only for the compute time used by the milliseconds instead of provisioning infrastructure upfront for peak capacity. Let's talk about benefits of AWS Lambda. AWS Lambda offers the following benefits for your organization: no need for managing servers, automatic scaling, pay-as-you-go pricing, and performance optimization. Let's explain each of these benefits. No need for managing servers. You can run code without provisioning or managing infrastructure. Simply write and upload code as a .zip file or container image. Automatic scaling. Automatically respond to code execution requests at any scale, from a dozen events per day to hundreds of thousands per second. Pay-as-you-go pricing. Save costs by paying only for the compute time you use by the millisecond instead of provisioning infrastructure upfront for peak capacity. Performance optimization. Optimize code execution time and performance with the right memory size of the function. Respond to high demand in double-digit milliseconds with provisioned concurrency. Excellent. Now let's talk about use cases for AWS Lambda. AWS Lambda supports the following use cases, which cover the need of a broad spectrum of customers: quickly process data at a scale, run interactive web and mobile backends, enable powerful ML insights, and create event-driven applications. Let's explain each of these use cases. Quickly process data at a scale. Meet resource-intensive and unpredictable demand by using AWS Lambda to instantly scale out to more than 18K vCPUs. Build processing workflows quickly and easily with a suite of the other serverless offerings and event triggers. Run interactive web and mobile backends. Combine AWS Lambda with other AWS services to create secure, stable, and scalable online experiences. Enable powerful ML insights. Pre-process data before feeding it to your machine learning model. With Amazon Elastic File System access, AWS Lambda handles infrastructure management and provisioning to simplify scaling. Create event-driven applications. Build event-driven functions for easy communication between decoupled services. Reduce cost by running applications during time of peak demand without crashing or over-provisioning resources. In summary, use AWS Lambda to run code without thinking about servers or clusters. AWS Lambda is the fastest way to turn an idea into a modern production serverless application. That's all about AWS Lambda. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.